Hello and welcome to Fabian Electrical Services Inc. at YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. As you can see, they've already started to install the vapor barrier. There should be drywalling pretty soon. So this is the washroom. I've got a couple pot lights inside the washroom. Also, you're going to see here in this washroom I have one heated floor, some switches for the washroom. I also have a GFI. This is LED mirror and one receptacle for the toilet. We go into this room here. This is just basically a closet. There's some lights. Okay, also this room here. These are just for door contacts. See, push, start, stop. I have a switch in here. I have one fan, one light. We go into this room. This is the master bedroom. Okay. You can see my plugs. You can see my plugs on the wall. One fireplace, TV receptacle. Shade windows, cable. This is basically a keypad for each one. This room is just going to be a bar, fridge. And he's going to have one other microwave. A couple of receptacles. Switches, spotlights, TV receptacle. We go into this room. This is going to be a sink, 2 lights, one leash wire. This is a sauna. Go into this room. This is the closet. Okay. Couple lights. 2 center lights. So this is why you always double check with the guys who are doing the work, because as you can see I have a wire that's buried inside this area here. How do I know that? Because obviously I remember where all my wires are, and as you can see the wire is right here. Okay, this wire is going to be for a steam towel. Okay, this is why it's very important to double check the guys who are going to be finishing. You don't want to run into this problem. And then on this other side here, I have another wire that's buried in here. Okay. As you can see, it's very important to remember where you put your cables. If not, you you will have issues once it comes to finishing. Okay. This is also another wire for steam towel. And as you can see here also, they've left my wire up high. I'm not sure why, but this is supposed to be for a niche. It was placed in this area, so I have to bring this cable down. Also here, they've left another one of my wires out. Not sure why. So I'm gonna have to cut that and figure out what that wire is.